Carvana back at record highs like the broader market. Looking for at least 3 green days with volume over 5.6 million for a better chance to break over this upper range. If the uptrend line is broken within the 3 to 5 fib time zone interval, a rush back down to the 300 boundary would be a normal retracement. After a sharp peak followed by the ongoing steady decline, getting back into a bullish to neutral range within the 60 to 80 range seems less likely at this point, especially with even just one more red day with volume over 30 million, which can greatly increase the odds of falling back into the low 50s before the start of August. SOFI reaching for the moon, but of course showing signs of being overstretched. For the larger uptrend to continue stably, it's important to stay within this range towards the next fib time zone interval. If there are at least 2 green days with volume over 93 million, the chances of clearing the 20 boundary get better. On the other hand, given the steep rise recently, any close under 1720 can lead to a sharp retracement closer to at least 50%.